guys should come on and do the yearly, what should you be eating? What should your workouts look like? I figured it was that time of year again. The reason I wound up getting my degree in exercise physiology was not because I was some athlete. It's because I was the chubby girl who wanted to be on Broadway. And so I was a dancer, and guess what? Fat chubby dancer gets the back row. I wanted to be in the front row. I'm like, people out of my way, I want to be in the front row. So it was my drive and motivation to get to the front row. Starting at a really young age, I started dieting. My brothers could go and eat a large pizza, and my mom would be like, not in a mean way, but she'd be like, do you need a third piece? I'm like, oh, all right. We have to find this balance, and it's taken me a freaking long time, 45 years later, to kind of hit the nail on the head. I've kind of figured it out. But guess what? There's no magic. Consistency, super important. You have to work out. You want to put muscle on your body. The more muscle you have on your body, the more energy it takes to survive. That energy burns calories. Hallelujah. When you have muscle on your body while you're sleeping, it takes energy to stay alive. More calories burned. So we want to put on muscle. That's number one. Number two is calories in, calories out. Can I tell you all of the diets that I've been on? 10 times your body weight today are your calories to lose weight. If you weigh 120 pounds, 10 times your body weight today, 120, is your calories to lose weight. So 120 times 10 is, survey says, 1,200 calories. So let's talk about these fat diets. So the Twinkie diet, the ice cream diet, the cookie diet, the grapefruit diet. If you eat 1,200 calories in that, you will lose weight. It doesn't matter where the calories come from. Now inside, your body might not look beautiful if you're eating 1,200 calories worth of cookies every single day, but you will lose weight because calories in, calories out. I always say to anyone who's getting ready to get into getting healthy and fit, get your hormones tested. Hormones are so important. So get that dialed in. Then go to your calories. MyFitnessPal, okay, here it is, the app. The database on this is freaking ginormous. Go to our diary. I'm gonna say add food. First of all the food, my history, all the food I have ever entered is in here. So if you enter it one time, it's gonna be in here. So you'll start throwing things out of your diet that you're like, oh my God, it has that many calories? Forget it, I don't want it. The big, huge muffins at Costco, they're beautiful. Do you know how many calories are in that big, huge muffin? 750 calories in one muffin from Costco. You can barcode scan the Costco package and it comes up. So as soon as my son found out that it had 750 calories, he was like, freaking no thank you. That's like 2.5 slices of pizza. I'd rather have pizza than a muffin. And he was eating those muffins as a snack. So sometimes we just aren't aware. Did you know that a serving of grapes is 8 grapes? Does anybody eat 8 grapes? Nobody eats 8 grapes. So do you know what I did? I got rid of fruit. Got rid of it because I love fruit. Why? Because fruit has sugar, and sugar makes you crave more sugar. So it's not that fruit is great, it's great for you, but the sugar, if you're a sugaraholic like I am, sugar makes you crave more sugar. And therefore, all of a sudden it goes from wanting sugar to wanting bread, to wanting dessert, to wanting more carbs, to wanting more carbs, to wanting more carbs, to eating the entire bowl of grapes. So if this is ringing true to you, get rid of the fruit. The only fruit that I really do eat is an apple. Because if you seriously sit down and eat an apple, you're not going, I think I want another apple. Also has good fiber. Apples actually suppress your appetite, and they also fill you up. They have good fiber. Fiber is like free calories. You cannot metabolize fiber. So when you take fiber in, fiber goes out. You rent it. And so that's huge because it fills you up, it makes you feel full, and then it exits the body. These are my favorite Brussels sprouts from Costco. You microwave them for 5 minutes and they're good to go. They're seasoned with olive oil and salt and pepper. I freaking am obsessed with them because they're ready to rock. It's all in the freezer. Lean Cuisine. I do love Lean Cuisine. I'm not gonna lie. Why? Because all I gotta do is put it in the microwave. I get the ones that are a little bit more, I don't tend to get the raviolis and the pizzas, but you can, because again, it's really all about your calories. This is such a great, easy way to get your dinner. And I find that most of the time you really screw up your eating when you get home and you're starving, right? And you have nothing to eat. That's when you start digging into the cupboards and you go to the sugar and you eat like crap. So these are great, and they've gotten rid of the preservatives, they've gotten rid of a lot of the crap, they've lowered the sodium, they've done a much better job, and there's so many different brands. You don't have to do Lean Cuisine, there's Amy's, but look at the calories, and you guys, look at the fact, what does it have in it? This is just pure protein and vegetable cauliflower rice. How great is this? 25 freaking calories for a half cup. Let's see. Freaking eat the whole bag. It's cauliflower. Like you cannot overeat cauliflower. And what I like to do with cauliflower, put salsa in it, put Cholula sauce, put hot sauce, anything like that. Calorie free and tastes so good. Becoming aware of your calories. You can do this. You budget your money every day and you figure that out. This, all we're doing is budgeting your food, and you are in control, and it feels so good when you're like, I got this. Like, I got this. And then when you start seeing your body change, it's the best thing in the whole wide world. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Send me messages. I'm here. And join my workouts.